What's going on, guys? Charles here. Welcome to a quick update. So I just wanted to make this video to talk about a couple of stuff that are coming up and they're really exciting. First one is we posted a couple of update videos. The first one was about Pinterest traffic, because if you remember yesterday I posted a video about Pinterest traffic. So a couple of our members had questions, so I made an exclusive member only video and I shared more Pinterest traffic secrets. So if you have an Aversity account, definitely head over to the update section and watch that video. It's pretty awesome. So that's that. The second update video was about something about affiliate marketing, like refund rates, how to get less refunds when you're promoting affiliate products. You know, when you promote Aversity, you usually are not going to have issues like that, but if you're promoting like ClickBank products, you will get refunds. So I just shared a couple of really cool ways for you to manage and just get less refunds in general when you're promoting affiliate products. So that's another really good video. You should definitely check it out. So now that's out of the way, let's talk about what I'm actually trying to what I was trying to talk about originally in this video, and that is the blogging, and blogging without actually having to blog, you know, like without having to actually have a blog. So the thing is, in the past couple of months, you know, we've been trying to develop tools in Aversity to help our members to start generating revenue within Aversity, so you don't have to do advertising or go out there and stuff like that. We're actually, at this point, we're actually working on our own advertising network as well. So that's another thing that our members are going to be able to use. So it's really there's a lot of cool stuff coming up, but this is the first tool that we're rolling out, and this is what we call Aversity Publisher Program. So what the idea here is that you can use Aversity's blog to earn money. All going to be done from inside of your account. So if you head over to Publisher Program, you're going to be able to see it. So you can just write an article, and in that section you're going to learn how to write it. You know, like all the requirements of all that stuff are explained inside there. So what you can do is you can write an article, and that article is going to get published. Now the difference here is that article is going to have your affiliate links, so you can promote products within that article. And Aversity blog gets over 10,000 visitors every single day. So that's a huge amount of traffic that you can utilize as a member. So it's a great way to just make money within Aversity, and it's all free. You know, if you're a member, you have access to that. You can just publish articles and get traffic to your affiliate links and make money. So it's a really great tool. Again, that's one of the first tools that we're releasing. There's going to be a lot more. We got the advertising network. We got a ton of more stuff that you can use to just make money, generate revenue within Aversity. So it's really exciting. So that's the whole idea. You know, you can actually make money from blogging without having a blog. So it's a really cool tool that you can use. You should definitely head over. Now that tool, for some members, that's not going to be available yet. So right now we're rolling it out to our top members, meaning that that's going to be the platinum members, and then after a while, it probably by next week, it's going to be available to every single member. So it's going to be activated in your account. You're going to be able to see it up there. So definitely check it out, guys. This is a great way to make money without having to have a blog, have your own blog. So, and all the trainings and all the requirements, everything is just explained there. It's just there for you and ready for you to use. You know, you don't have to be a crazy good writer to get published. So it's a great way to make money from blogging without having your own blog. So that's that. Again, if you're a member, definitely head over to update section as well. I want you to watch those training videos. They're really cool. A lot of good stuff. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. This was just a quick update. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and also if you're not an Aversity member, you should definitely become one. There's a lot of benefits. You can get one-on-one coaching. That's one of the things that you just get as a member. Also, you're going to have community access. You're going to have access to our high ticket program, and more importantly, you're going to have access to the best training in the world. So link is in the description. Check it out for yourself, and thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.